So students, let's solve question number 4 of exercise 5.2, and that is find the value of x in each of the following figures if line L is parallel to line M. See these two figures, and then this line L is parallel to line M. This line A is parallel to line B and line L is parallel to line M. Now, in this first figure, you have to tell the value of x. In second figure also, you have to tell the value of x. So, let's solve question number 4 of exercise 5.2. So, student, let's solve first part of question number 4. Look at this figure very carefully. In this figure, line L is parallel to line M, and this line T is a transversal. This angle, this angle is 110 degree. It is given in the question only. Now, to solve this question, we have named this angle as y, and we have to calculate the value of x. So, this angle, this and y angle is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are forming linear pair. After that, we can calculate the value of x. So, let's calculate the value of x. See, line L is parallel to line M and T is the transversal that I told you just now. Angle y plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are forming linear pairs. See, just now I have told you that this 110 degree and angle y both are forming linear pairs, so their measure is 180 degree. See, now, so therefore angle y is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. That comes to be angle y is equal to 70 degree. Now the value of angle y is equal to 70 degree. Now, if this is 70 degree, then this will be also 70 degree. Why? Because they are alternate angle, because these two lines are parallel and this is a transversal. So, y is equal to angle y is equal to angle x because they are alternate angles. See, therefore angle y is equal to 70 degree. So, angle y is equal to angle x because they are alternate angles. Therefore, angle x is equal to 70 degree. So, angle x is also 70 degree. Now, let's calculate second part of question number 4. In this figure, look at this figure very carefully. In this figure, line A is parallel to line B and line L is parallel to line M. And measure of this angle is given in the question, and you have to calculate measure of angle x. Measure of this angle is also given, that is 80 degree, and measure of this angle is equal to 100 degree, that is given in the question. And we have to calculate this x angle x. Now, let's solve this. Solution. Line L is parallel to line M and A is a transversal. See, line L is parallel to line M and A, this line is transversal. So, measure of this angle. If it is 100 degree, then this is also 100 degree. Why? Because both of them are corresponding angles. So, measure of angle x is equal to 100 degree. See, angle x is equal to 100 degree because they are forming corresponding angles. Therefore, angle. Now, students, let's solve question number 5, and that is, in the given figure, the arms of two angles are parallel. If angle ABC is equal to 70 degree, then find, first one is angle DGC and angle DEF. Now, look at this figure. In this figure, this arm is parallel to this arm and this arm is parallel to this arm. Now, ABC, this one is given out there, that is 70 degree. Now, what you have to do? You have to find out DGC. this one, DGC, and DEF, this one. These two angles you have to find out. So let's solve this question. Again, students, look at this figure carefully. You also have to draw these figures with the help of pencil as I have drawn it. So ABC is given, that is 70 degree. You have to calculate DGC, this one, and DEF, this one. You have to calculate their measure. Now, first one is line AB is parallel to line DE. Line AB, this is AB. Line AB is parallel to line DE. This one is DE. These are parallel to each other. And the transversal BC cuts them. And transversal BC cuts them. This one. This is a transversal. So these two angles are corresponding angles. If this is 70 degree, then this one is also 70 degree. Angle DGC is equal to angle ABC. That is equal to 70 degree corresponding angles. Angle DGC is equal to angle ABC. Why? Because they are forming corresponding angle. So measure angle DGC is equal to 70 degree. Now we have to calculate DEF. See, second one is line BC is parallel to line EF. Line BC, this one is parallel to line EF, and this is a transversal. If this is 70 degree, then this one is also 70 degree. Why? Because they are forming corresponding angles. Therefore, angle DEF, this one is E. DEF is equal to DGC, that is equal to 70 degree, because they are corresponding angle. Therefore, angle DEF is equal to 70 degree. Now students, let's solve last question of this exercise, and that is question number 6. In the given figures below, decide whether L is parallel to M. This line L is parallel to M, that you have to decide by the given. Now student, let's solve question number 6, and that is the last question of this exercise, and that is in the given figures below, decide whether L is parallel to M. You have to decide that line L is parallel to M or not in each of these figures. Students, look at this figure very carefully. In this figure, L and M are parallel to each other, that we have to decide. This N is a transversal line, and measure of this angle and this angle, both of them are given in the question only. So let's see. Line L and line M are cut by the transversal N. See, line L and line M are cut by the transversal N. So if this is a transversal, then measure of this angle plus this angle should be 180 degree. As you all know that they both are interior angle on the same side of the transversal, and interior angle on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So their measure should be 180 degree. So let's see. So this is 126 degree plus 44 degree, that comes to be 170 degree. That is not 180 degree. So 170 degree is not equal to 180 degree. So we can say that the internal angles on the same side of the transversal are not supplementary. Therefore, line L and line M are not parallel to each other. Students, in this way only you have to write the reason for each and every question. Now student, let's solve the second part of question number 6. Look at this figure very carefully. In this figure, you have to tell that line L is parallel to line M or not. and this line N is a transversal of line L and line M. And this angle 75 degree is given out in the question only. To solve this question, I have put the name of this angle as A. Now, line M and line L are cut by the transversal N. See, this is cut by the transversal N. In figure, A is equal to 75 degrees. See, A is equal to 75 degree. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Now, why is equal to 75 degree? Because they are vertically opposite angles. And angle A plus 75 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus 75 degree is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are interior angle on the same side of the transversal. So, in place of A, I have put 75 degree. Why? Because I have just calculated that value of A is equal to 75 degree. So, 75 degree plus 75 degree, that is equal to 150 degree. So, 150 degree is not equal to 180 degree. So, student, thus we can say that thus interior angles on the same side of the transversal are not supplementary. Therefore, line L is not parallel to line M. Students, this part 3 and part 4 of question number 6 that you have to do it yourself. You have to give the reason that line L is parallel to line M or not. You have to solve it by giving the reason. In the same way, you have to solve this fourth part also. This is your homework. You have to do it yourself. So, this is the end of today's video. Chapter is also been finished. Tomorrow, I will give you the homework of this chapter. Up till then, goodbye and thank you.